Hello guys, let's discuss this problem based on Heron's application, where this problem tells you that a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base. You can see here in this figure, both parallelogram and a triangle having the same base, and that base is 14 centimeter, and they are also having the same area. If the sides of the triangle are 13, 14 and 15, you can see here 13, 14 and 15, and the parallelogram stands on the same base 14 centimeter. You can see here this parallelogram is standing on 14 centimeter. Now find the height of a parallelogram. Now what you need to do here, you need to find the height of this parallelogram. Let me draw this height for you. Height is this. This will be perpendicular. So you need to find out this height. As you know that area of a parallelogram is height into base, which is 14 centimeter. So let's write the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to its height into its base. You know the base of this already. You need to find out the height of this. So let's first find out the area of this triangle, and after that let's equate the area of both parallelogram and triangle. Area of triangle EDC. In this triangle you know all these three sides. Let's suppose A is 13, B is 15 and C is 14. All are in centimeter. Find out the semi-perimeter. Divided by 2. This will give you 42 by 2 and this will be 21. So now let's find out the area using Heron's formula. You know the value for S, which I have calculated here. It is 21. 21 minus 13, 8. 21 minus 15 is 6 and 21 minus 14 is 7. Now let's simplify this expression. How? You can write 21 as 77 into 3. You can write 8 as 4 into 2. You can write 6 as 3 into 2 and keep the 7 as it is. So here there is 3 and 2, 3 and 2 and 4, 7, 7. So what can you see here? There is 7 square inside the bracket, inside the under root. So 7 will come out. 3, there are 2 3s. 3 will come out. There are 2 2s. 2 will come out, and this is 4. You can write 4 as 2 into 2. So 2 will come out. Now 2 into 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 7s are 84. So this is the area of a triangle. 84 centimeter square. Now what you are going to do, you know that area of a parallelogram and area of a triangle are same. So let's equate both of them. Area of a triangle is equal to area of a parallelogram. You know the area of a triangle, which is 84. Area of a parallelogram is height into base. Height into base. Base is 14 here. So what is going to be the height? So this is 6. So here your height is coming out to be 6 centimeter. I hope there should be no doubt here. What I have done here, as in the question it has been told that area of a triangle is equal to area of a parallelogram as well as base of the triangle as well as parallelogram is same, which is 14 centimeter. So after that what I have done, as you know all the three sides of a triangle, I have used Heron's formula to calculate the area of a triangle, and then I have equated that area with the area of a parallelogram, which is nothing but height into base. You know the base already because base of triangle and parallelogram is same, which is 14. Then what I have done here, 14, 84 is divided by 14, 14 6 are 84. So height is coming out to be 6 centimeter. I hope there should be no doubt in this problem. I will be taking more problems in coming video lectures. Thank you.